Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to get unlimited coins in the Agar.io. No jailbreak needed. So this is the real Agar.io mod for iOS and Android. I'm going to show you guys how to download it, but as you can see, check that out. So let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go to this website right here. So once you're on the site, it's called hexmods.com. Go up to the search bar, right, and type Agar.io. And it should come straight up. So let me just type it in. So as you can see, it says Agar.io. So press on it, press this button, and this will start downloading it. So I'll see you guys later, but you subscribe. This is super cool and it fully works. So I've already installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. But if you go on the App Store and type in Agar.io, you will see that it's really expensive. So let me just type it in, and as you can see, here's the Agar.io. And go to in-app purchases, and it's quite expensive, as you can see. So if you are someone that gets a lot of money in your life, then you can buy the coins, but I would rather get them for free using this Agar.io mod. And I think a lot of people might share my opinion. So this is super insane, guys, so be sure to try it out for yourself. It actually works, and personally I just think a lot of people need to get on the bandwagon and start downloading this Agar.io mod, because it is super insane and it fully works on iOS and Android, guys. So if you guys have ever wanted to get money in Agar.io, then be sure to try this out, because it is super cool and this actually is working right away. So that's super insane, guys, so be sure to try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, and install this Agar.io hack. It is time that we take back the Agar.io community together, and I'm going to see you guys later, so subscribe to the channel, and peace out, my dudes.